Adelantico, adelantico.
Con el trío Huracán.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be talking about, I'm super excited you guys, oh my god, like estoy toda descontrolada y me tengo que controlar, like calm down Johnny. Anyways, focus, okay, concéntrate, cálmate, breathe. Anyways, I destroy everything, okay? I was just like a crazy person, like you know, no, not really, but like I just got so excited how the packaging looks. Very pretty, by the way. And then we have the bubble wraps to protect the palette. And this is how the outside of the palette looks, the actual package. And it says Reina Del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. So glad that there's gonna be a volume 2. Anyways, it says that it's inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba. Guantanamera, Guajira, Guantanamera. Anyways, the birthplace of Alamar, featuring 8 intensively, am I reading right? Featuring 8 intensively, can never talk. Featuring 8 intensively pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine metallics, and velvety mattes. Is distributed by Alamar Cosmetic, Miami, Florida. Made in the USA, very important. So enough about the packaging, let's go to the actual palette. And this is the actual palette. So anyways, this is the palette, and obviously this is my head. But it's just so you guys can compare more or less, you know, the size of my head and the palette. Even though that is a horrible comparison. I don't even know what I'm saying that. Once you open the palette, once again, it's beautiful. Tropics all over. What the heck? Anyways, it seems like there's a ghost in this room, but nothing new. Anyways, this palette, it seriously gives me tropic vibes all over. I mean, the colors, the leaves, the flowers, goes perfectly with the theme, okay, which is Cuba, Alamar. I love how you could bend this part all the way to the back, and you grab it and you do whatever it is that you need to do. So this palette contains 8 different shades, and the names are La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero, Celia, Coco Taxi, Trópico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero, and Celia, these 4 shades right here are shimmer. And if you want more intensity in the color, you can definitely wet your brush. You're definitely going to have way more intensity. But if you don't want that high intensity, definitely you don't need to wet your brush in order to have intensity in the eye shadow or eye look that you're going for. I'm not sure if I'm making any sense, but what I'm trying to say is that the eyeshadows are very pigmented, and you don't necessarily have to wet the eyeshadow in order to get that high pigmentation. You still get really high pigmentation and beautiful color without wetting the brush. But if you want to wet your brush and you want more intensity, then yeah, just wet the brush. It has a little water symbol right here that signifies that if you want more intensity, then go ahead and do so. So Coco Taxi, Trópico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito, which by the way, these shades are just beautiful and they blend like a dream. Seriously, I'm not even exaggerating. Really, really good quality for these eyeshadows. And these 4 shades right here, those are velvet mattes, so obviously you do not wet those eyeshadows. Let me do some swatches real quick for you guys so you can see. So I'm gonna start by the shimmer ones. So this is La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero. Oh my god, Varadero is so beautiful. And Celia. Look at that pigment, you guys. It's just beautiful. Okay. Guys, are you seeing those colors? How beautiful and creamy they are. Now I'm gonna swatch Coco Taxi, Tropico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. They do have a little bit of kickback, but I mean, that just means that they're very pigmented. So here are the 4 shades, and let me swatch them right over here. So this beautiful palette right here is made in the US. It's cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and mineral oil-free. And I know that you're not gonna see this video whatsoever. Thank you Gabby so much for creating this beautiful palette right here. It seriously gives us nostalgia, you know, like for those of us that are from Cuba, this palette right here it brings us joy, but at the same time a little bit of nostalgia. So this palette retails for $28 and the pigmentation is just beautiful. The colors blend beautiful one with the other. I didn't see any patchiness. So anyways, I just have nothing negative to say about this palette. For $28, you're getting amazing quality eyeshadows. And I'm so happy that I got it and that is part of my collection. And this palette right here symbolizes to me a lot. Every single time when I open the drawers and I see a little bit of jello going on and I feel like, today I want to be inspired by Cuba, then I'm definitely going to grab this palette because it's beautiful. And I'm just so happy that I ordered this palette and that it's part of my collection. I highly recommend you guys to order this palette if you haven't done so, because it's just absolutely beautiful. I also went ahead and I ordered the Ojitos brush trio because I mean, why not? I really wanted to try her brushes, and seriously the brushes have a really good quality. I love this green color right here, and this is kind of like a rose gold color, but slightly darker, I would say. I should have done this video in Spanish. Right here, this baby right here is perfect to put the shimmer shades, and it's also perfect if you want to do a cut crease for your eye makeup look. And the fluffy brush is perfect to do for your transition color and just to mix any color in pretty much. This brush right here is perfect to use for the matte shades. And this one right here is also flat, but it's square, so it's a little bit different. And this is perfect for your lower lash. These 3 brushes right here, this is all you need in order to create makeup looks. I'm going to be getting the color Coco Taxi as my transition shade. Ooh, pigment. I'm definitely up close and personal. Ooh, this orange is beautiful. Now I'm going to be getting the shade Tropico. This one here. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be getting Cafecito and Tropico, and I'm just mixing those two together. Right over here in my outer V, to get the flat brush, and I'm going to be getting La Costa. So I'm going to get a little bit of Fragrant Prime from MAC, and I'm gonna get the color La Costa. Wow, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna get Cafecito once again. And I'm going to use El Malecón. So now I'm going to get La Costa and right in my brow bone. So now with the finger I'm going to get El Malecón, and I'm going to put Malecón right over here, and I'm just going to spread out everything. I'm going to be getting the color Cafecito. So now I'm gonna get the Tropico. Now I'm going to get a regular liquid eyeliner, and this one is from Kat Von D.
Yo soy guajiro y carretero, bamba, y en el campo vivo bien que soy guajiro y carretero, bamba, y en el campo vivo bien.
And for the lips, I'm going to be using Mary Jo King from Kylie Jenner.
Más lindo del mundo entero. A caballo vamos pa'l monte, a caballo vamos pa'l monte, a caballo vamos pa'l monte, a caballo vamos pa'l monte.
So I ended up putting fake eyelashes, and this is from Pure and Diva. So the eyelashes are called Diva from the brand Pure. Now, okay, this is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoy. I'm so sorry for my craziness. I know that I'm a little bit cuckoo, but anyways, this is the end of this video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to put the little bell notification, because if not, you're not gonna be notified when I upload another video. Anyways, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you guys are and you're watching this video. Till the next one, guys. Ciao. Mwah.